आज समारोपाचो सोहळा जाता त्याबद्दल हांव सर्वप्रथम सगळ्या विद्यार्थी आजी माजी शिक्षक आणि ह्या विद्यालयाच्या ह्या पावंड्यार पावपा खातीर ज्यांनी ज्यांनी प्रयत्न केले त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे मनापासून अभिनंदन करता. हे स्कूल अशेंच फुडें फुडें मोठे पावंड्यार फुडें वचून पुण्याचें जे आज 1 नंबरचें स्कूल म्हणून आसा ताचे पेक्षा फुडें आमी वचपाचो प्रयत्न करुया. स्कुलाची विद्यार्थी संख्येत स्कुलाची क्वॉलिटी उरना तर ह्या स्कुलांतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांत शैक्षणीक क्षेत्रांत तर ह्या फावटीचो रिजल्ट सुद्दां 90% प्लस आमचो आयिल्लो आसा. आजूच रिजल्टूय जाल्लो आसा आनी हें जें संपादन करून हें स्कूल अशेंच फुडें व्हरतलें, येणारी पिढी फुडें व्हरतली आनी हो जो कार्यक्रम आज हांगासर आयोजीत केल्लो तेजे प्रमाण त्यानुसार आनी त्याच्या योगान सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांक एक मेसेज वतली की हें आमचें स्कूल आसा, हें आमी फुडें हाडटले आनी ह्या स्कुलाक ह्या अमेय विद्यापीठ मंडळाच्या हायर सेकंडरी स्कुलाचो जो फुडार आसा तो हेच्याय पेक्षा वयल्या पावंड्यार पावयतले अशी आशा करता. हांव सरळ परत सगळ्यांचें मनापासून स्वागत करता आनी मागीर स्वागतची 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
To start with, from the batch of March 1995, I would request our chief guest, Dr. Narayan Desai,
2018. I feel very proud of you, my dear students. Here we go. I begin with our overall results at HSSC Board Examination 2018. In the commerce stream, we have 93%. In the arts, it's 78%. And vocational, as usual, we have 100%. Let's move on to the arts stream. First in the arts stream is a very hard-working, studious, talented, and a dynamic girl. Passed out her 10 from Dadavati High School. Put your hands together for Miss Kalpita Kanta Gowde. She stands first in the arts stream with 91.33%. Big round of applause to Kalpita Kanta Gowde. She secures 99 marks out of 100 in history. A big round of applause to Kalpita Kanta Gowde. First in the commerce stream is Miss Jannat Khan Afril Ismail with 85.16%. First in the vocational stream is Miss Girodkar Diksha Ramdas with 78.75%.
First of all, I would like to thank AVPM's Amaya Higher Secondary for the felicitation. It's always a great feeling to come to this higher secondary and interact with all the faculty members over here. But today when I got felicited at the hands of the same higher secondary members, it's just an amazing feeling. And it's more amazing because I did my schooling, I did my higher secondary schooling, I did my further education, graduation, post-graduation. But out of all the schools that I attended, this is one particular higher secondary which has been very, very close to my heart. And I'm not just saying this for the sake of it. It is indeed close to my heart.
Just I want to convey one message that when I took admission with Amaya, our respected principal Daigo has reluctant to give me the admission because I am passed out from the government high school, which was not having a good faith or good name in the market. But I want to tell that students is not made by the high secondary, but students are not made by the schools, but the students makes a goodwill of the school. Thank you.
The 2 years that I've spent at Amaya have been a great time in my life. I still remember most of the things that has happened. It was not pre-decided to say that I took admission, but I'm very glad and grateful that that decision has made me what I am today. There was one thing which was I still remember. Sir Zan had told us in class, whatever you do, be the best in that, and the world will be yours. And I believe it was truly the great words that is helping us to grow personally and
Sometimes I think that we all parents, teachers, we all think that we know all the problems of the students. We think that we know all the problems. So we have so many activities, we do so many things for our students. I'm just asking now all these meritorious students, do we really know the problems of our children? In fact, sometimes I ask the teachers also, do we really know the problems of the children? आत्ता जर मी विचारलं ना, माईक दिला आणि टेल मी व्हॉट आर द प्रॉब्लेम्स, तर पॅरेंट्स असतील ते काय सांगतील माहिती आहे का, की आमची भुरगीं जी आसा न्ही ते आमचे आयकनात. फर्स्ट दे डोंट लिसन टू अस, दॅट्स द फर्स्ट. आय नो वॉट प्रॉब्लेम्स विल गेट. दुसरे ते सदां टीव्ही आणि सगळे ते पळयत असतात. आमच्या काळात आम्ही पॅरेंट्सांक कशे रिस्पेक्ट दिताले, दे डोंट गिव अस रिस्पेक्ट. आणि व्हेरी एरोगंट, आम्ही कसे नम्र बीन असले, ऑल दीज. आणि एक कितें अभ्यास करिना, भुरगो हुशार आसा पण अभ्यास करिना. सो दीज विल द प्रॉब्लेम्स. इफ आय गिव द माइक नो, यू विल टेल मी ऑल, but in fact these are not the problems at the root level. What is happening now? At the school and at the home, the children are like a plants. We want to see them growing, and what we are doing now, we are watering there at the branches and flowers and leaves, not at the roots. So I think it is essential that we all know what are the problems at the root level. Simple problems, small problems. So whatever I have learned in my educational career as a teacher, this is the point I want to highlight. So what are the problems of our children? आम्ही जर आता विचारलं ना, आता घरी जाऊन तुमच्या मुलांना विचार, सांग पळ तुझे प्रॉब्लेम किती. He will first tell, I can't understand 100% whatever the teacher teaches in the classroom. I can't understand whatever the teacher teaches in the classroom. I'm asking all these years, do I have the answer as a parent, as a teacher, as a principal? The problem of a teacher, of a student is, he says that I can't understand 100%. Maths is there, physics is there. Okay, you are commerce students, so accounts and economics are there. Sometimes I can understand 100%, the majority, many of times 60%, 50%. So problem is understanding, and we have no answer. माझ्या सगळ्या भाषणाचं सार हे आहे, त्यांना जवळ घेणं, त्यांना प्रेरणा देणं, त्यांना प्रेम देणं, त्यांना आत्मविश्वास देणं, हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. बाकीच्या गोष्टी हळूहळू निर्माण होतात. तर ती कविता अशी आहे, ज्यांची बाग फुलून आली त्यांनी 2 फुलं द्यावी. ज्यांची बाग फुलून आली त्यांनी 2 फुलं द्यावी. ज्यांचे सूर जुळून आले त्यांनी 2 गाणी द्यावी. आणि आभाळा एवढी ज्यांची उंची, आणि इकडे काही बसलेले असतील मोठ्या क्षणाला पोचलेले आहेत, आभाळा एवढी ज्यांची उंची त्यांनी थोडं खाली यावं. पालक आणि शिक्षक त्यांनी थोडं खाली यावं. आणि मातीत ज्यांचे जन्म मळले, आपले विद्यार्थी, मातीत ज्यांचे जन्म मळले त्यांना थोडं उशीत द्यावं. धन्यवाद.
As the principal of Sri Ameya High Secondary School till his retirement in the year 2009. He made a foundation very strong with his administrative and academic skills. A very good teacher of sociology, the best administrator, guide, philosopher and friend to students. Siddharth Desai, a beloved teacher, grade 1 in English. In spite of all odds, she tried to get the best board results in the English subject at Goa board examination. Retired in the year 2012. Even after her retirement, she is very much connected to her institution by taking part in annual hikes and other activities. Very positive, energetic, and helpful teacher.
Will celebrate the Golden Jubilee, Diamond Jubilee, Platinum Jubilee, Centenary, and many more. I wish all the coming batches also to do still better and to help our institution to achieve greater heights. Thank you all.
Cassie Rodriguez joined Amaya High Secondary in its very first year as laboratory assistant for vocational stream. Expert and knowledgeable in her own area. Posthumously, late Kamalakant B. Param. He joined as teacher grade 1 in Hindi and promoted as principal in the year 2009. Served as principal for 2 years till 2012. He was the main force in constructing the new high secondary building. He was garden lover and he was instrumental in having a beautiful garden to our high secondary school. A singer, a friend and friendly to staff and students. A great social worker and a politician too. His demise is a big loss to our institution. Sandeep Shilkar, teacher grade 1 in business studies and accountancy, very popular figure amongst the student community because of his student-friendly nature. As NSS program officer, his contribution for the upliftment of the student community in specific and society at large is commendable. He is the teacher who knows how to bring out the best in students. Subhash Dan, teacher grade 1 in accountancy and cooperation, well-known compere and TV anchor, a popular figure in Goa, working hard for the overall and all-around development of the students, talented theatre artist. Under his guidance, many students got encouragement to pursue theatre art as the career. Amaya High Secondary School got many awards at the intercollegiate one-act play competition organized by Kala Akademi. He made a record non-stop teaching continuously for 12 hours, that is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for the students of accountancy. He is the co-author of the book on cooperation published by Goa Board of Secondary and High Secondary Education. He says education is the key to success in life and teachers make a lasting impact in the lives of their students and favorite teacher in all streams.
हांव अनुभव आसा तो आयचे खास निमंत्रित आणि गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर श्री अनिल सामंत हांची ओळख करून दिवपाक. सुरवातीक आमचे चेअरमॅन जेन्ना उलयले श्री माधव सहकारी तेन्ना खरी म्हळ्यार तांची ओळख जाल्या. जे कांय व्यक्ती गोंयांत शिक्षण क्षेत्रा खातीर उलोवपी किंवा शिक्षण क्षेत्राचेर उलोवप करपी चिंतन करपी आसात तातूंतले दोग व्यक्ती आज आमच्या माचयेर हांगा उपस्थित आसात. खरें म्हळ्यार प्रचंड टाळ्यांनी ह्या दोगांचें स्वागत जावचें. कारण अशे तरेचो सन्मान सुवाळो ह्या मनशाच्या हातान घडप हेच आमचे आज भाग्य आणि हेच खरें म्हळ्यार अमेय विद्याप्रसारक उच्च माध्यमीक विद्यालयाच्या फुडले प्रगतीक आमकां बळगी दितले. पालक प्रबोधन ह्या विशयाचेर तांकां गोंयभरच न्ही तर महाराष्ट्रान आनी बाकीच्या राज्यांनी तांकां आपयतात लोक. पालक प्रबोधन ह्या विशयाचेर तांचे उलोवप खास करून खूब मार्गदर्शक आसता आणि आज अशेच तरेचें उलोवप आमकां आयकपाक मेळटलें अशें आसतना तुमच्या मुखार दवरता प्राचार्य अनिल सामंत सर. प्रचंड टाळयांनी
Secretary of PTA and Chairperson of Students' Council, she successfully handled various projects and activities.
Please put your hands together for me.
ह्यो 3 गजाली वेगळ्यो वेगळ्यो आणि शिक्षण करियरा खातीर करपाचें असो विचार करतात तेन्ना बरेच जाण फक्त लायव्हलीहूड सुद्दाच विचार करतात पूण ताजे फुडें लिव्हिंग आसा. लिव्हिंगाचो एक पार्ट लायव्हलीहूड आणि लायफाचो एक पार्ट लिव्हिंग. म्हणटकच आमच्या भुरगेपणांत जशी ती खेळणी आसताली, बावल्यो आसताली, एक व्हडली बावली आनी तातूंत ल्हान बावल्यो, तशे तरेची ही गजाल आसा. म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळ्यांनी विचार करूंक जाय आनी निमाणे कडेन ह्या शिक्षणाची अशे तरेच्या शिक्षणाची आमी रचना करतना म्हाका दिसता त्याचे 4 खांबे आमी सारके सांबाळूंक जाय. पयलो खांबो इज द लायफ व्यू. म्हजी जगपा कडेन पळोवपाची दृश्टी कितें आनी ही दृश्टी दिवपाचो योग्य वेळ म्हणजे हायर सेकंडरी. कारण ज्याचे कडेन हो लायफ व्यू सारको आसा ताका आपली लायफ स्टायल चूज करपाक कळटा.
And also today's guest of honor, Shri Anil Samant sir.
आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान, छोरा छोरी भर न समझे मारे सब छलांग.